Hello, my name is Amma Kautsar Romadoni. My biggest question is, are you tired of dry and damaged hair like this? Introducing Makarizo Advisor, your ultimate hair care. Imagine having salon quality hair at home. Makarizo Advisor is a hair mask that gives a professional touch to your daily hair care routine. With a formula enriched with natural ingredients such as hydrolyzed keratin, vitamin A, C, E, and soya oil, Makarizo Advisor will nourish and repair your hair from root to tip. It works wonder on damaged hair and will revitalize it with every use. Say goodbye to frizz, split ends, and damaged hair. Makarizo Advisor restore your hair's natural shine and strength, leaving it soft, smooth, and manageable. Makarizo Advisor is suitable for all hair types. Its lightweight formula ensures that your hair does not feel heavy or greasy after application. Here, how to use Makarizo Advisor. Just use a sufficient amount of the cream on your hair after washing it. Look. Massage gently from root to tip. Okay. Look. Leave it for 1 to 3 minutes to let the nourishing ingredients penetrate deeper. Then rinse thoroughly and say hello to beautiful shiny hair. Look. Join the countless satisfied customers who have experienced the transformative power of Makarizo Advisor. You can find Makarizo Advisor at the nearest mini market. Don't miss this hair care revolution. Revitalize your hair with Makarizo Advisor and unlock beautiful locks. Get yours today and let your hair shiny with confidence. Makarizo Advisor.